Today's special fish varaval. The ingredients that are required are ginger garlic paste, chili powder, turmeric, salt, corn flour, garam masala and some lemon juice. Avoid lemon seeds in it. Coat the fish pieces with a nice thick layer of the paste. These guys got nice coating now. Let them marinate for minimum half an hour and then we'll fry them. Fish is marinated very well in 30 minutes. Now let's shallow fry them. Okay, looks like the bottom is nice and crispy. Now let's turn it over for other side to get crispy like this. Looks like the fish is all ready. It looks so yummy. Just can't wait to taste it.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe to our channel Party to Peti. For instant notification, click on bell icon.